Hi everybody, it's Joe from Switch. Just want to share a little video with you about a little adventure that we're about to go on. So when we decided to build Switch, Dawn and I wanted to reach as many people as we could to provide cooking education to people all over the world that just wanted to improve their lives through cooking. So we decided to do something a little unusual. We decided to sell our house and purchase a 1976 Airstream and move into that Airstream with our 2 dogs and travel North America and meet people that wanted to learn how to cook better, improve their lives through food, in particular through plant-based foods. So that was about a year ago, and of course we couldn't leave and do our little tour because of COVID, and we still can't leave this year, but we did sell our house. So we are about to move into our Airstream, which is behind me here, which was fully branded for our little road show around North America. It's a 31-foot 1976 Airstream. In 3 weeks, we will be moving into that Airstream. So we bought a property on Pender Island in BC. That's a farm, and we will drive that Airstream over there, and that will become our new home. So we're gonna start our little video episodes very shortly about our trip over there, setting up the farm, which is it's got an old 100-year-old log cabin on it, which is not really livable. So we'll probably set up a little workstation in there, or a workshop. But we'll be working out of this Airstream and broadcasting videos from time to time about our journey until such a time that we can actually hit the road and go out and try to meet you. In the interim, go to switch.com, that's no T, and sign up for free. We'll ask you a few questions to personalize your cooking experience, because that's the one thing that's different about Switch, is it's a personalized online cooking school and community. So I hope that you'll take advantage of the site. It's just coming out of beta. There's about 30,000 people from all over the world that have leveraged the content on the site, which is amazing. We will make recommendations to you based on your skill level, your food and flavor profile preferences, and you build your own curriculum, kind of like building your own music playlist. So I hope to see you on the site. Please do subscribe to this channel once we get this up on YouTube, and we'll keep you posted on our adventure and look forward to sharing your journey with you on Switch. Bye for now.